Rich Morris here from The Singing Drummer. It's been a couple months. I decided to put new heads on the old Vistalite kit, and I bought the heads, but then before I put the new heads on, I wanted to go ahead. There was a 12-inch tom that I could never get to sound right. It just was, and actually, I used to set it up on the left-hand side underneath the hi-hat because I never wanted to hit it, because it just didn't like the sound. I ended up taking that one drum down to Jeff Kirsch at Kirsch Custom Drums here in Portland, Oregon, and he redid the bearing edges, and he told me, if I do this, you're going to want to bring the other drums down because it's going to sound so much better. Okay, can you just fix this drum? So I fixed the drum. I brought it home. It sounded great. And I had to wait a couple months till I could afford to, not that it's like super expensive, I just got a lot of other stuff going on. It took me a couple months to be able to get those other shells down for him to do the bearing edges. Well, he got them. I got the old heads back on because I wanted to get some sort of reference between the old heads without the bearing edges done and the old heads with the bearing edges done. I don't know that you can hear a huge difference, but I tell you what, tuning up the drums is night and day. It would take me 30 minutes, 40 minutes to get a drum to sound halfway decent, and then I would just put dead ringers on it because I didn't want to hear it anymore. It was just uneven and harmonics all over the place. Now it's like 5 minutes and you're done. And you don't even really need the dead rings. I have dead ringers on it just because I wanted to, these are the exact same drums with the same heads and all that kind of stuff. But you really don't need it. It's a little too live for me, but you really don't need it. If you're in Portland and you need bearing edges done on your drums, I would highly suggest Jeff Kirsch down at Kirsch Custom Drums. But anyway, here's a little quick A and B. The A is the old heads before the bearing edges, and the B is the old heads again with the new bearing edges. And then here, hopefully it's not going to take me a couple months, I will get some new attack drum heads on there because I've been wanting to for so long. Anyway, put down in the comments what you think. Both of those takes, there was no effects, except for a little bit on the overheads just to tuck them behind the drums, bring them down quite a ways in the mix. But there's absolutely no EQ, no effects, no compressor, no nothing, not even on the bus. It's just the drums. It's just the drums. And I think they sound pretty good. There's a lot there to work with, and they're so much easier to tune now. So, but put in the comments what you think. If you can tell the difference, let me know. If you can't tell the difference, let me know. Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We finally got through the mile marker of 200 subscribers. In the world of YouTube, that's a small deal, but it means the world to us. We're on our way to 1,000, and we'd like for you to come along. So hit that subscribe button and ring the bell notification in the rare event that I actually put out a video. Anyway, thanks, and we'll see you soon. Bye.